Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to change your default camera and microphone permissions in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started with these simple steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC by double-clicking its icon. Step 2. At the top right, click More. Look for the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of the browser window and give it a click. Step 3. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose the Settings option. Step 4. Under Privacy and Security, click Site Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section and click on Site Settings. Step 5. Scroll down to Permissions. Within the Site Settings, scroll down until you locate the Permissions section. Step 6. Click on Camera or Microphone. Depending on which permission you want to change, click on either Camera or Microphone. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change your default camera and microphone permissions in Chrome on your PC. This allows you to control which websites have access to your camera and microphone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.